In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, two giants consistently push the boundaries of innovation, Xiaomi and Samsung. Today, we're diving deep into a showdown that's got tech enthusiasts buzzing. Xiaomi 15 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're thinking about upgrading your smartphone, you'll want to watch this closely. These aren't just flagship devices, they represent the pinnacle of mobile technology, but which one reigns supreme? Let's start by looking at the design of these two powerhouses. Xiaomi 15 Ultra embodies elegance with its sleek, minimalist aesthetics, premium ceramic finish, and ergonomic design that feels both luxurious and comfortable. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a futuristic charm, featuring refined glass and metal craftsmanship, along with its iconic squared-off edges. Both smartphones are built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and style. But Samsung edges out slightly in terms of IP68 certification, offering robust water and dust resistance, an important feature for everyday use. Now let's explore their display technologies, an area where Samsung traditionally excels. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a mesmerizing 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X screen with Quad HD Plus resolution, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and stunning brightness that ensures clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Xiaomi, however, doesn't fall behind, packing its 15 Ultra with a remarkable 6.73-inch AMOLED display, supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Xiaomi also impresses with a higher touch sampling rate, making it exceptionally responsive, ideal for gaming enthusiasts. Yet Samsung's adaptive refresh rate technology that ranges from 1 Hz to 120 Hz offers greater efficiency, helping preserve battery life significantly. Performance-wise, both these flagships are monsters in their own right. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, an absolute powerhouse offering incredible speed, multitasking efficiency, and superior gaming performance. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, however, utilizes its own cutting-edge Exynos 2500 processor in global markets and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in select regions, delivering equally impressive performance benchmarks. Gaming, multitasking, or streaming content, both phones can handle everything effortlessly. In daily usage, though, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra tends to stay slightly cooler under heavy load thanks to its advanced cooling system. Cameras are often the deciding factor for many flagship buyers, and both these devices take mobile photography to new heights. Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a Leica-engineered quad-camera setup, including an impressive 1-inch primary sensor, capturing stunning details, vivid colors, and exceptional low-light performance. On the front, Xiaomi offers a sharp and vibrant selfie camera capable of stunning portrait photography and 4K video recording. Samsung counters strongly with its Galaxy S25 Ultra, featuring a remarkable 200MP main sensor, advanced periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and industry-leading nightography capabilities. If you love zoom photography and astrophotography, Samsung's sophisticated lenses and powerful AI-based software enhancements could tip the scales in its favor. Battery life and charging technology are crucial for today's smartphone users. Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a solid 5,000 mAh battery, with an impressive 120W wired fast charging capable of going from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes. Wireless charging enthusiasts are also covered with Xiaomi's blazing fast 50W wireless solution. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra also carries a robust 5,000 mAh battery, but sticks with a more conservative 45W wired charging. However, Samsung offers highly optimized power management software, providing slightly longer real-world battery usage despite slower charging speeds. Software experiences can significantly influence your choice, and here the differences become more evident. Samsung's One UI Sticks, built over Android 14, is known for its intuitive user interface, feature-rich experience, seamless multitasking capabilities, and strong ecosystem integration with other Samsung devices. Xiaomi's UI 15, also based on Android 14, offers extensive customization options, vibrant animations, and frequent software updates. However, Samsung typically provides a slightly cleaner user experience with fewer pre-installed apps, while Xiaomi offers greater personalization and customization. Finally, let's talk about pricing, as value for money is critical. Historically, Xiaomi has been the champion of value, providing flagship-level specs at relatively lower prices. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra continues this tradition, offering impressive performance and features at a price that often undercuts Samsung significantly. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, though pricier, justifies its premium with top-tier build quality, extensive software support, and exceptional after-sales service worldwide. So after an in-depth comparison, which smartphone truly reigns supreme? The answer ultimately depends on your personal preferences. If you value photography, zoom capabilities, ecosystem integration, and global after-sales support, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might be your pick. However, if you prioritize raw performance, rapid charging, exceptional value, and camera technology backed by Leica's legendary optics, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands out prominently. Whichever device you choose, one thing is certain: both these smartphones represent the cutting edge of mobile technology, delivering an unparalleled experience. Thanks for joining us on this tech showdown. Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons and in-depth reviews right here on our channel.